The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's match day 20 for Imamelodi Sundowns Betway Premiership for last season ka 2025-2026. Basibetheleke i-Orbit namhlanje Olympia Park Stadium ngapha Rustenburg. Junior, uyalazi labana?
Yeah, ngidlalile kulo.
Oh, ukho shayinet lapha.
No, I don't remember scoring mara ngidlalile.
Barodlalile lapha.
Kakhulu kulela ground obviously Chiefs Olympia beyithandwa. Enhleke Rustenburg by Frostani Kaizer Chiefs. Because even Vodacom Challenge
used to be
there.
Yeah. Well, Junior, we're going to look at the Premiership namhlanje. Sundowns and Orbit College. 2 Sundowns, Orbit 0. First half 0-0. Second half, early second half, 2 minutes into the second half, Sundowns scoring. The floodgates were opened. Sundowns ended up winning the game. But nobody said for it, right?
Shane, my brother, kunjani?
I'm okay.
Mbulise wena justice justify Shabalala. Kululeko my brother. Mbulise ubobzin.
Yeah.
Benedict Zovilakazi. Ever fit kunjani, keep on supporting it Iski TV. You're fighting no one try to fix South African football. I think it's the first time this year ngizoti Sundowns. I think mabathabantu I think babambile redeem. Yeah, Sundowns now they are untouchable. That's how I will say it. Yeah, but amagame manje it look easy. Kuba ngathi ama opponent they are poor. I understand. Sundowns they are on top of their game. We can be honest. The past 4 games Sundowns sibukelile. Now I can confirm with you. Now whoever that will come next game, Sundowns whoever that they're going to face now is going to be in trouble, honestly. Because the team wants yabambe redeem, especially quality side like Sundowns. It's something in Kulmanga second stream today, the core of the team second stream. Which one is Sagadlali regularly? Kipidu come from injury. I'm talking about they didn't have a defensive midfield today. Badlala Resinho in the midfield, Badlala Kemal Aselo Alende, we know is a regular player, Nuno a regular. But on the left hand side, Basatin, Munapule Salim was there as well. Bebanga Dlaling a wing, got left hand side. So the core of the team, Renas come from injury. Sias good big this Kaulian. The spaghetti training session fit. Honestly, we're watching a training session. It's like 11 attackers against defending. About the exercise which you mean, I'm attacker versus I'm a defender, weapon I'm a defender. And Koragula Mapala Ichu, Amangana Sessent, and then attackers are scoring a padin. But we exercise in Jangaleo. But today, very easy. You know, it's Sundowns paying I defend. It's Sundowns every time. Ipola, Malpeti Obit, Bebangaba. They didn't even press them. Bebanigi Ipola. Very easy. And Shane, I have to say this. Marcelo Allende, for me, it was the midfield of the season last year. For me. I know what to make it party debatable for me. I mean, the guy, Angaz Melaza and Zenati Aguze are recognized Guti is one of the best players in South Africa, South Africa. Yes, Uguna Makemo by being it why sometimes he's playing safe, but you could tell Guti Begu instruction from the coach. But look at the guy now. Since Allende has arrived, today I need to be honest, even for me, it's a man of the match for me. Also, 3 midfielders, Sundowns, 3 players Sundowns brought here in South Africa International. But Laling the main goal today. Look at the goal number 1. Goal Allen, Sales, Nuno, Resinho. Look at the goal. I think the money that they spend, I don't think Bangas so long. So going to the game. Orbit came to the game. The football has changed. In fact, my coaches they playing more than playing. I'm a player. My coaches on the bench, remoting players, instructing players too much. Now I'm about 2 wing forward players, and you've got a striker there with 4-3. You tell your wing forward and left to come and defend. What do you mean? Because Mabele today, this guy Mabele, Lomfano Khoto, playing for Orbit. You tell them to come, but they come, but they gulama right wing back, right and left wing back, and then banging a next to them. Why having them? And then isolating this guy Lukele. Today, this guy Lukele overwork. In today's game, Manga Cheka, bigger chaser, He's a striker now. He's chasing on the left hand side. To chase a wing back. Yeah, Mamela Sundowns upasatini ucheza nomndawo ngapha on the right hand side. It drops. Nini man peti ball and phuma ngai. He has to go behind the defense of Sundowns. I think the tactics how we approach the game. I know with pound to pound when I can't match Mamela Sundowns, but I mean the system approaching our game. There was no way he could get it. That's why first half it didn't get even a corner kick. Not even shot on target, honestly, because. I understand two wing forward players, they come and bangena langa part next to right wing back, yaga right forward, like una.
You think Jude mhlawumbi yena eyakhe into uza kulo mdlalo namhlanje ndayiva le point uyibekayo.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbi yena you will say he was more concerned ukuthi anga-concede than having goals for team yakhe.
Upogiso, I know he's got so many youngsters as a especially team in I know he understands the game very well. It's a pity with the first round of the season, udlaling inexperienced players. He brought to Ben Motswari to this game. I didn't say Ben Motswari as defensive midfield. Because that's sort of 5. But we 5-4-1. The way he defend, my coach might defend today. All I'm saying, my critics to him is because 5-4-1, very close to each other. Like midfielders, they are very close to mid defense. Next to goalkeeper, one pass breaker wonke like midfield and the defense. That's a critical ngale onto kuyo coach. Ukapinga first half yes he tried. But Mongampega was too individual. In order for you to function, you need your teammates. So, because of this guy, Upotane, Utete Abano Pen Mutswan, but Pepe Gule Pek 4 yake. Uko didn't want them to go and join Ukapinga. Kapinga was isolated. And Monga check another this guy the way we were musing a Konulukele. I don't think Bebam Sevens is a proper in Kulmanga Ulukele. The guy was tired, Begamans in Ting, Kulmanga face off. So, well done to Sundowns and we compliment. I think. They played very well in today's game. It's Sundowns, Jovang issue. It's Sundowns that slowly but surely coming to Sundowns thing as a second stream team almost. Yes, I know Nkuluma Mkwena was not even playing. This Kaulion, Beangatladi, Krent Kekana not even playing. A couple of players, Mdiba Ungene second half, Utanengo Pasatin. So team Yabo, as Nisho is a coffee team. It's more of a second stream. How they play, it's like a training session. They play. The Badalanga department is always very patient, but they move the ball very quick now. Sometimes different. You understand? But Napoli selling on the right hand side. Like I said, Mina, Sundowns going forward, I think they will making him as an impact player. Because sometimes you want to be individual, and sometimes Mama check when they play him, they don't even support him because Bana this thing which is gonna come back and play. So they play, they don't even support. So Mnapulu yenzile ka 1 guy 2, I think somebody wamkhuza. And sometimes first 20-10 minutes bekumele ngabe lile 2-0. Kunebhola lapho Rhinos, I think kuyilo Brian Onyango, ayano Sales. I think the ball amalenda ku Rhinos. Angazi ubonile goalkeeper takepaleni is supposed to finish there. Yabo, cause goalkeeper it was early goal. And another goal kunelinye futhi lenhlo ku Rhinos bam pinpoint I think umdawo. I think could heal from Usaling and then umdawo wamnika and then I think the ball la phezulu. Second half much better. Nkhuluma ngale 3 players are international, which is this guy Brazilian Usales and also Ununo and this guy Resino. Well done today. I think the composure from them. They also pinpoint the cross. Uzazamthole lapha and well done kutanga be selfish. Omunye beko director lapha. Leonuni Polelas, yeah, Polelas slowly but surely na ngithi manje ngiqala ukumbona. Angithi bengisafuna ukumbona kutanga be noma Polelas. Bengisakhala la studio while watching me even last week. Mina ngifuna ukumbona perform consistent. He's an international player. He can't have games, but maybe Polelas very influential. The guy, Ipola mangabu midfield to number 10. You must know where you wanna pass before you receive. So in England, when I met like move, this guy. And well done to Rhinos goal poucher. In order for you to win a league, you need a striker such as this. Yes, I go open game, but you know what will Lila chance. He create a space for himself. He got the penalty finish. Done. So, well done to Sundowns. I think they deserve today. I think, honestly, Obit, not in the game. As Shomani football has changed, honestly. I'm a player about at least 2 strengths. I see coaches sometimes, but my players, they play according to my instruction too much. Akusinkinga ukudlala ngeke, you can't go there without a structure, without some instruction, but you can't overcoach players. Sometimes they will try to follow by some mistakes. So mangabheka nje mangakubuza uKapinga was playing number 10, but how he role bekayidlala, it's like a defensive midfield the way he was playing. So ile nto engishoyo as ngisho ngithi Pogiswela zibhola usibonisile na first round of the season kunama game whereby you see master passing game. He needed strong players and experienced players even first round of the season. Now he's under pressure. He can't play those players, lama experienced players according to his strengths. He's under pressure. He needs to win games. So well done to Sundowns and Shining Sasho is a win league.
Junior, we could be prediction after 20 games.
Yeah.
After 20 games.
You show before his season.
Oh, you show before his season.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. But maybe I might have missed it. We show but this season. Yeah, this season is for the first time they go over. So the Sundowns are winning it this season. Normally, it was like 10 games into the season. They are taking it. But
my parents compliment to them. This season, but in our lazy. And this is a quality team. Must khuluma depth. Bheka le team njengoba ngisho. Some key players they were not even playing. They're playing in Champions League Friday. Yeah, bazowina. Honestly, I'm convinced they're gonna win.
Well, Junior, webeka ke inhloko yakhe elangeni uthi ya babona the Sundowns are going to be the champions of the Betway Premiership come May 23. Ubhale phansi sayibhala uJusta uyiphethe pen nebooklet uyayibhala so but namhlanje Olympia Stadium it's Orbit 0 Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.